In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an arrow in OneNote. To start, open OneNote on your device. You will see a familiar interface filled with your notes and sections. This is the canvas where you will be creating your arrow. Taking a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout can be helpful. Make sure you have everything ready before diving into the drawing process. This initial step is important because it sets the stage for your creativity. Once you have OneNote open, you are ready to proceed. Next, select the Draw tab at the top of the window. This section provides all the tools you need for drawing. You'll find different pen options that allow for various line thicknesses and colors. Choosing the right pen can enhance the visibility and style of your arrow. Once you are in the Draw tab, take a moment to explore the options available. This exploration can inspire creativity and ensure you select the best tool for your task. Now, choose a pen that suits your style. You can select a pen with the thickness and color that you prefer. This choice matters because a well-defined arrow makes your notes clearer and more engaging. After you have chosen your pen, you're ready to draw. The excitement of creating your arrow is just moments away. To draw an arrow by hand, simply click and drag your mouse or stylus on the canvas. Try to make a smooth motion to create a pointed arrowhead. This part is all about your personal touch. Drawing it by hand allows for a unique arrow that fits perfectly with your notes. It's a simple yet effective way to add a visual element to your work. If your version of OneNote supports the Draw and Hold feature, you can take advantage of this handy tool. To use it, draw an arrow in a single stroke. Once you finish drawing, hold the pen or mouse in place briefly before releasing. OneNote will automatically convert your rough sketch into a neat arrow. This feature is a real time saver, making your work look professional with minimal effort. Now, let's talk about another method to create an arrow. This involves inserting an arrow symbol directly into your notes. To do this, place the cursor where you want the arrow to appear. This positioning is crucial as it determines where the arrow will be located in your text or notes. A well-placed arrow can guide readers' attention effectively. Next, navigate to the Insert menu and select Symbol, or use your operating system's symbol picker. Here you can find various symbols including arrows like right, left, up, or down. Selecting the arrow that matches your intent is important because it helps convey your message clearly. This method is often quicker than drawing, especially when you just need a simple arrow. Once you select an arrow symbol, it will appear in your notes at the cursor position. This makes your document more visually appealing and aids in understanding. You'll see how easy it is to enhance your notes with just a few clicks. It's important to note that the Draw and Hold feature supports a variety of shapes, not just arrows. You can create lines, circles, rectangles, and triangles. This flexibility allows for more creativity in your note-taking. Keep in mind that the availability of these shapes may vary depending on your OneNote version and platform. If you only need an arrow in text form, inserting an arrow symbol is usually the faster option. It allows you to quickly enhance your notes without the need for drawing. Whichever method you choose, you now have the tools to effectively create arrows in OneNote. With that ready, you can now make your notes clearer and more engaging. Enjoy using these methods as you enhance your note-taking experience. Happy creating!